Proper busy today though, isn't it?
It is surprisingly busy. I mean, it's good. It's great for Drayton Manor, but wow. Never seen this many people.
It is the season finale and it's going to be fireworks. And I think it's meant to be dry weather, so all that.
And also, I think because they've got the later ticket from 4 onwards, that's been really popular. Particularly tonight, like you say, it's the finale.
Finale.
The show and the fireworks.
Yes. Monsters and Magic. I think it's the last Monsters and Magic as well, isn't it?
And for some schools, it's the last day of the half term. We'll go back tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm sure I read it was the last Monsters and Magic on the 2nd, so that'll be the last one today. And obviously the fireworks as well. I don't know what they'll do after that for the rest of the year. Do they just open weekends or what? We'll find out on the website. Oh, then this will look like the kids with the little ball things that spin down, the lights. Oh, you can actually reach into them now, can't you?
And they were too far in, you couldn't get to them. The atmosphere is great, isn't it?
Yes. Busy, busy, busy. Go and see the DJ. Yo, DJ, where's the bass? Halloween.
Close at hand, creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize y'all's neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell.
Right, now shall we try the haunting? We'll check with the cube, like. I know it doesn't move very quickly, does it? We do the Sheriff Showdown. I'll beat you at that for the last time of the season.
I think I'm due a comeback. Didn't Carl beat us one year?
Yeah. He had the record for the day, didn't he?
Yeah. I need to get back on top, beating you both.
The Undertaker, the last souvenir shop. It's chilly, but it could be a lot colder, couldn't it, for the time of year?
Yeah, it could. And raining, we're really lucky it's not wet.
Let's have a look in here. The scariest place under one roof, it says. That's what it reckons.
12 till past 7. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Want to give it a go? See if
It's going to be.
about to go in?
Yeah, but we won't all get in that same one, will we?
No, but we might be in the next one.
Yeah, so we know we've got 15 minutes to wait then.
Yeah.
Because we won't get in this one. But we'll see. Oh, there's a sign again. Monsters and Magic. We've still got a bit of a wait. It's still an hour and a quarter before 7:45. Still time for fish and chips.
Not with that kid.
If you could get the smell across on the camera, you'd know why that big queue's there. It smells lovely, and I'm not even hungry.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Something about when it's cold and you smell the fish and chips, isn't there?
Salt and vinegar.
Vikings. Now, what did they say about Vikings? If you get caught in here at 7:30, you get locked in and you can't come back out. That's what that guy was saying, wasn't he?
Like that, yeah.
Hey, look, Loki's working, look. I do feel a chill.
Glad I've got my hat
Yeah, I'm glad I got mine. I was going to get my coat. Thank you. I was going to get my coat and I probably should have done.
on. You know, if we go on Stormforce, there'll be no queue.
I'm not going to Stormforce. I barely go on the height of summer. I'm not going on there tonight. Do you want to go on?
Maybe not.
You mean not? Thoughts? Alright. Can't tell me that. Alright. I see now, I think. Is Thor even working?
It was when we came in, but it doesn't look like
It's not
it
now.
Oh, that's a shame.
Oh, well, we ain't doing that. Should we go and sleep in here? The horses. They're not working neither.
Don't fancy waiting in Loki's queue. Maybe we can try the buffalo.
Should we stand near the smell?
Try. I said the buffalo, it's not even that, it's Jorgenmunder.
I can't say it.
I think that's close.
I'm just about mastered sleep there.
But you default to buffalo, don't you, all the time?
Yeah, when you've called it all your life, and I haven't really changed the ride itself.
Apart from the Indians, not on the... You haven't got the buffalo on the front and the Indian guy on the back.
Yeah, they've changed the buffalo to a Jorgenmunder. Whatever one of them is.
No, I wasn't even saying it right.
It's your mung.
Jormungandr.
Jormungandr. Yeah.
I said it completely wrong.
I've said that. Jormungandr. There's Gold Rush up we couldn't get on. We'll give a shout to Alfie.
Is he at the back?
I don't know. Is he on it?
I think he went to the fast track queue.
Even this queue's quite big. Oh, well, we might as well stand in it.
gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for joining us for Monsters and Magic. We hope you've enjoyed the show and your day with us here at the park. We can't wait to welcome you back for our next spectacular event, our Christmas Wonderland with Drayton Manor's Miracle on the Lake. Until then, from all of us, have a safe journey home and a good night.